guys, I'm gonna put baby powder in the hairdryer. I'm gonna do a prank on my wife. Let's fill it up. Okay. Let's clean the hairdryer off. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Here's this. Hold on, guys. Let's clean up all this. Okay, guys, I'll be back when she does her hair.
We're able to get our thing. Hey, don't do it yet.
Just fix it a little bit.
Hey, it has to get wet first, so.
Yeah, just let me fix it a little bit.
See, you don't listen.
Okay. I have to dry it, babe.
You don't listen. Yeah, you don't listen.
You gotta dry it now.
You don't listen.
Yeah. No, you gotta dry it now. Uh-huh. I'm hard-headed, alright?
You really did this.
I got her again, guys.
Really? You see what she did? You see this? You see this?
Oh my god. Got her again. Team K. Team K. Babe, sign us out. Sign us out, babe.
Babe, why? No, let's talk about this first. Why would you do that?
This is a prank, babe.
Babe, it's in my hair. All over my hair.
It's a prank.
Babe.
Sign us out, babe. It's a prank.
Hey, why wouldn't you just pick the camera up first of all? You make me sick. Again, really? Get the camera.
Right.
It's your freaking prank. She make me sick. Like,
Sign us out, dear.
that's why you were so eager to put gel in my hair. I'm like, wait, let me get in the shower. Let me. Oh, blow dry it, babe. She makes me sick. If you guys want to continue,
It's Prank Wars.
you guys want to continue, whatever. She got it right now. You guys want to continue to see these pranks and stuff, please give this channel a huge thumbs up and continue to support us. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below
What our next prank should
whatever, Team K, whatever. But y'all help me out. You know, help me out. Because she taking all the pranks. Oh, bitch, you taking them all. Bye.